with a stage 1 kit including Vance & Hines pipes and a high flow air intake, ape hanger handlebars, upgraded toe shifter, grips, etc. and a nice saddleman seat with red stitching to match the paint. We have a 2005 Harley-Davidson Dyna lowrider with under 26,000 miles as of this moment. Take a listen to Vance & Hines here. Yep, she's loud. I don't know about you, but I just love it when a bike sounds as good as it looks and looks as good as it sounds. Beautiful 2005 Harley-Davidson Dyna lowrider FXDL injected engine. This bike is available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.